In this video, we are going to see how we are getting the data from Cloud SQL to BigQuery to create good report. So we have the Cloud SQL instance, multiple applications created using Google Apps Script, and we use Cloud SQL as a backend to save the data. So from the Cloud SQL, we are using data streaming to create the streaming regularly and push the data to BigQuery. So from BigQuery, we are creating lot of dashboards for understand and know the performance of the team and how many tickets we are getting. Then we can see ticket how the performance of each and every ones. So when you come here, so this is the cloud instance. We have a lot of cloud. We have list of cloud, first generation and second generation. When I open this second generation 5.7, so we can connect the database here. Once we connect the database using Cloud SQL Studio, we can see all the list of tables inside the database. We are going to connect this data table to BigQuery using streaming. So we are going to connect. So this is the data streaming features available in the Cloud Console. So we can this is the existing streaming connector Cloud SQL and BigQuery. So for example, this is the data streaming and source profile and destination profile. So it's creator last years. You can see then destination data set as helpdesk Cloud SQL and new. So we can monitor all the informations here. So the source profile is we can see the source information from where we are getting the data. So connection profile from this port, and this is running as of now. So after that, where we are pushing this data, so it will show where we are pushing the data. So to BigQuery here. So how is it how we will create stream. Once you create, enter the stream name, everything, we can select the source type, Oracle or MySQL, SQL Server, everything. Once connector, we can connect to destination type is where cloud storage or BigQuery. Or if you want to keep dump data as a backup, we can use cloud storage. If you need to for analytic purpose, we can use BigQuery to use our data. And after that, we continue. Once we continue, we can see we can add the source configurations, everything where we know to the configuration source means what is the IP address, everything we will set here. Configure destination, what is the data set where we are going to push the data in the BigQuery. Then connect and create. Once we create the data streaming will start within the seconds. Then we can it will load the data. We see this is the data set we are going to save in the streaming. So we have the list of in the project we have in this data set we have list of tables here. Using these tables we create a very good dashboard for helpless for to understanding the agent's performance and tickets. So we can see here the tickets details based on the SLA, agents, everything. Here, why we can connect the Cloud SQL directly with the Data Studio. The why we are connecting the BigQuery, when you connect the Cloud SQL, the performance is little slow. So when you connect with the Cloud BigQuery, the performance very fast. We can retrieve huge data. We are year-wise. We can get all the informations. We can get within seconds. So it's very fast when you compare with Cloud SQL. So we can see how much tickets, how many pending tickets, how much completed tickets, and based on the agent, how many tickets percentage. So based on the agents, how many tickets within 1 day completed, how many tickets within 2 day actions, everything we can see here. The ticketing agents, lead time, everything you can see from here. So like this, we can get the information. We can connect our source MySQL and streaming and push the data into the BigQuery and create a report we need to take any decision to understanding the value of our systems. I hope you already see the one of a previous video about my help desk. This is the help desk. From this help desk system only, I keep the data into the Cloud SQL, and this data only push into the BigQuery. So this is the system. When you log in, is developed using Google Apps Script and backend as Cloud SQL. Here we create here myself create a machine learning model for sentiment analysis, keyword search, everything. So it's the models were created. We use that model in the cloud function. From the cloud functions, we are connected the trigger in the existing helpdesk system. From the system, we are using that model for sentiment analysis and all other actions. So using that model, we create a model for classifications. Using the existing sample data, we create the model to classify our tickets. So this is a ticket. This is a list of tickets we have. Then we, as admin, I can see all the things, all the screens here, everything, Steam, service, assignment, incident, everything. Then we can create new ticket from here. We can create here, submit. Once submit, um, it will come here. After that, the agent will open and do the actions. They can see the ticket details here, and they once if we need to add actions, we can click here and add the related actions and close the ticket. And we can see all the actions from first day till the end. We can see in this timeline one by steps, when is created, when the what are the actions is happen in between, when is close, how much time range is take to complete these actions. All the actions we can see from here. All the actions and the informations we can see in this um, timeline. So we can see all the things here. So when is creator, who do the actions, who closes actions, every information we can see here. So this data only save in the cloud SQL. That data we are streaming now and push in BigQuery, and after that we create the report. Thank you. I hope this is the full-fledged systems we created. So it um, from the planning, from the requirement gathering. After that, we create the documents. After that, wireframe we created. After wireframe created, we create the design. After that, we create the applications in Google Apps Script. After and connect with the cloud SQL. Now we connect with the data stream, then they get this data go into the BigQuery. Now we can see the report. So I'm really happy to share this product because it's very best systems. We work from initial state till the end and using different technology. Thank you. Please share your comments down. We will see in another system in another video. Thank you.